changer,
means to change. In this video, we will learn the verb to change in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel. Learn French with Di.Vi
changer,
is a regular verb and it follows the same pattern, but with some slight variation that we already learned in earlier lesson. For sake of revision, I am repeating one more time, in order to keep the sound of
je,
intact. We add an extra e in the first person plural subject pronoun. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I change.
je change,
You change, informal way.
tu changes,
He changes, masculine.
il change,
She changes, feminine.
elle change,
We change, or one changes, informal way.
on change,
We change, formal way.
nous changeons,
You change, formal way.
vous changez,
They change, group of males or mixed people.
il change,
They change, group of only females.
elle change. Changer,
Is a versatile verb used to describe transformations, adjustments, or shifts in various contexts, such as changing clothes, changing one's mind, or changing the state of an object. It denotes the action of altering, modifying, or replacing something. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I am changing my dress for the evening.
je change de robe pour la soirée. Je change de robe pour la soirée.
You are changing your phone number.
Tu changes ton numéro de téléphone. Tu changes ton numéro de téléphone.
He is changing his job this year.
Il change son emploi cette année. Il change son emploi cette année.
She is changing her laptop.
Elle change son ordinateur portable. Elle change son ordinateur portable.
We change the TV program.
On change de programme à la télévision. On change de programme à la télévision.
You are changing the room's decoration.
Vous changez la décoration de la chambre. Vous changez la décoration de la chambre.
We are changing our eating habits.
Nous changeons nos habitudes alimentaires. Nous changeons nos habitudes alimentaires.
They change their car every 2 years.
Ils changent de voiture tous les 2 ans. Ils changent de voiture tous les 2 ans.
They change the menu.
Elle change de menu. Elle change de menu.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I change.
Je change.
You change.
Tu changes.
He changes.
Il change.
She changes.
Elle change.
We change, or one changes.
On change.
We change.
Nous changeons.
You change.
Vous changez.
They change.
Il change.
They change.
Elle change.
Some other verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here, out of which we have already learned few of them. Please check my previous videos. In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.